Hi, this is Katyani from Sai Kalyan Creations. Today we are going to see how to make this beautiful wedding couple dolls made out of dry coconut or kopparathenga. For this I am showing you what are the raw materials. 2 koppara, big koppara size, and few dresses stitched for the dolls. One skirt, one dhoti, and angavastram and dupatta, everything stitched for the dolls, and artificial hair, lace, and a few jewels to decorate the dolls, and golden chain lace, and a few golden embellishments, ball chain, black color cloth, fevicol, garlands, and the doll's head, one female head and the male head. So with this we are going to make the beautiful wedding couple doll. For this, first we need to decorate the doll faces. So apply the fevicol all over the head and cover the head with the black color cloth. So I am applying the fevicol all over the head. Just spread it all over the head. And black color cloth is just blouse bit or 2x2, any lining cloth, anything is fine. So it will stick immediately to the fevicol. So I am covering the head with the black color cloth. And we should let it dry for 3 to 5 minutes. Similar manner I am going to apply the fevicol for girls, ladies face also, and cover the head with the black color cloth. Now I am going to attach the hair in the cloth. First I am doing the male head. Already the cloth is attached. Now I am going to stitch the hair with the cloth, so that it will be strong enough. I am using the green color thread to make the stitching visible to the video. Otherwise, usually I will use only the black color thread. Just for the teaching purpose, I am showing you in the green color thread. So side partition we need to take for the male doll. Even the thread is visible, you don't need to worry. Later on we can cover it up with the black color paint, that is not a problem. And just for the teaching purpose I am using the green color thread. And I am putting the knot. Now I stitched the doll, male doll hair, and cut the extra hair also. So completely the male face is ready with the hair attached. Now I am going to, similar way I am going to attach the hair for the female. For this I have taken little bit lengthy hair to put the plait. Same way I am going to stitch the hair with the cloth attached, so that it will be very strong. It will not get out very easily from the head. For the male doll we put the side partition, right? For the female doll we need to put the center partition. Here also I am stitching it with the green color cloth, green color thread, just to show you the stitching portion. Yes, this is the center portion. So very tightly you should stitch it and put a knot. Yes, now the hair is fixed to the doll's head. Now the hair is attached. just we need to put the plait. So now the doll hair is attached, it's ready to put the plait. Take 3 partition and start putting the plaits. Here finally we need to put a knot. And the extra hair whatever it is there, we need to cut it. To make it level, yes, cut it. Now the head portion is totally ready for the female doll also. We have attached the hair and also the plait is also ready. Male and female faces are ready. Now it is ready for the decoration. I am going to decorate the female doll with few golden chain laces. These chain laces, it is absolutely up to your creativity part, and it is easily available in all arts and craft stores and fancy stores. So today I am going to make the dress yellow and red or gold, so that's why I have taken the red color stone lace matching to the dress. Decoration is fully of your decision and your choice of things. And some more ball chains also I can attach. So more jewels will give the grandeur look. So that the doll will look like a bride. So we are doing the complete decoration as a bride. Only the bindi portion is pending, and the nose pin is pending, and the earring is pending. Earring, I'm just, earrings, all fancy earrings that is available easily in fancy stores, that I am attaching it here. And bindi and nose pin is pending. Otherwise the doll face is ready. Yes. Now we are going to fix the skirt with the coconut. And the dupatta also I have taken approximately 12 to 14 inches. This is the skirt is approximate 5 to 6 inches according to the height of the kopere. Just insert the kopere and stick the skirt to the coconut. And this kopere will not stand on its own. So automatically we have used some wooden stand also to make it stand on its own. So this is how I am going to fix a doll face over the kopere. And this is a wooden stand that I was talking about. This wooden stand is available in all electrical stores or hardware stores, approximate around 15 to 20 rupees. You need to put 2 holes and put a GI wire, a thick GI wire, to make it as a stand for this doll. So 3 inches GI wire I kept it. I am going to insert this kopere to this stand. Yes, now the kopere will stand on its own. Hope you understand this part. So I am fixing this stand for both the dolls, both bride and the groom's doll. And this is a wooden stand. So the doll will not move or it will not roll out, it will not. So I am fixing the skirt and I am also going to fix the doll face over the copper head. Yes, like this. And further neck chains, other decorations also I am going to do. And artificial jewels, if any, you can put it, and garland also you can put it. You can completely decorate this doll as a bride. No one will believe that this doll has been made out of copper. Once you finish it, you can see. Actually, if you want, you can add hands to this doll, but I did not do this because copper doll will have only the head and the body portion, usually like a Tanjore Talayati Bomme. So we don't attach the hands or the legs portion. Now I am fixing the dupatta. Now the doll is ready. Only the bindi portion is pending and the nose pin is pending. That I will decorate it later finally. Yes, it is a cute bride doll is ready. You can also stitch the hair here. Similar manner we are going to attach the male doll also. We are going to do the male doll also. So I am going to fix the doll face over the copper. Before that I need to tie the dhoti for the male doll. So approximate size is 5 inches I have taken for dhoti. According to the length of the copper, 5 to 6 inches would be more than enough. So first I am covering the copper with this and taking the pleat and sticking it as dhoti. And after fixing the doll's face over the copper, we can put the shawl. Now the dhoti part is ready. Yes. Yeah, it is covered fully. And I am going to fix the male head. While using the glue gun, please be very careful. It will be really hot. So please be very careful. I am putting the shawl and sticking it. And the same way, how did I decorate the female doll? Same way I am going to decorate the male doll also with few golden chain and some stone laces and everything. And over that I am going to decorate male doll with crown also or talapa. So garland, yes. You can wear garland and make this doll as a groom. Yes. Now for the crown part, I have taken 1.5 inches approximate, a cardboard sheet or a chart paper, and I am just taking the measurement of the head. So I have taken the measurement. Now I am sticking the lace over this chart, some golden lace or red lace. For this I have taken the red lace matching to the dress. Yeah, my crown is ready. It is a simple crown. I don't use ready-made crowns which are available in the market because that will look the North Indian look, so I don't prefer using that. So mostly like this talapa only will look like a South Indian crown. So now I am fixing the crown, the head part. It is very easy, it is very easy to make this crown. And in the crown also you can decorate it with some stone laces to give that grander look. The very purpose of not attaching the hands to these kind of dolls is it should get differentiated between the ordinary handmade dolls and the copper dolls. This copper dolls should be round enough, or it should be like a ball or a tanjore doll, something like that. So I purposefully not attaching the hands or legs to these dolls. Now it is really ready to steal the show. Yes, our bride and groom is ready. Yes, you can keep it along with your wedding seer items. So definitely it will steal the show. See how beautiful it has come out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Try making this. Thank you.